possibilities. Gears are turning, possibilities churn, new technology at every turn. On passive lighting